Okay guys, this is the other dishwasher that we have on the a la carte kitchen. It's the one for the pots and the pans. This one's remarkably easy. What we do is when you're finished and you've cleaned your board and you've put all your dishes away, remove these and then you shut the machine, and then you push this button here. What this button will do, it will empty the machine and it'll wash it at the same time. It takes about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes to do. Right, let's just assume we've done that. And after 5 or 10 minutes it stops. The machine will be self-cleaned after that. Ooh, very steamy here. Right, now we need to lift this one up. Take it out, and then there's 2 filters down here. Lift this one out, take this one out. Watch out, that one can be a little bit sharp. They need to be rinsed with water and then just put straight back in. At that stage this tank will be empty. Make sure you give it a rinse with water and and then that should be it. And then just turn it off, leave it open so it can drain, and then that's it. Nice easy one.